Let's look at the Molecule Builder Gizmo from the Explore Learning website. Once you've loaded this page, you can click on Launch Gizmo. This gizmo will take a few seconds to load, and once you're here, you'll see a blank screen. At the bottom, you'll see several molecules, and then you can drag and drop molecules into this area to build your molecules. For example, let's build water, H2O. We can put in an H, we can put in an O. Notice they're separate right now, and the lines connecting or extending from the atoms are blue. However, when you drag them closer, they become a black line. That tells you that a bond has been formed between these two atoms. To finish water, we drag a second hydrogen, and now we see H2O. We're going to type in our formula to check H2O, and it says it is correct. We can then also click on the Show 3D Structure to show the VSEPR shape, 3D VSEPR shape of water. We can use our mouse to spin, drag, well, we can't drag, and spin and get three-dimensional views of the water molecule. You can click on this camera button, screenshot, to include in your assignment. Once you're done, you can X out of this mode and then drag this molecule into a trash can so we can start again. What if we want to build a molecule with a double bond? Well, in this case, let's try oxygen, O2. We're going to click on these atoms together, and now they form a single bond. Click on this bond again, and now there's two bonds or a double bond. Again, we can check the formula. Let's say though we put in something wrong and say OH, and if we say check, it'll tell us it's incorrect. We can then put in the correct formula, O2, and it's correct. And once again, we can show the 3D structure. For O2, it's a linear molecule, so there's not much to show. But once again, you can take a screenshot of the new molecule and include it in your assignment. If you have any questions, please drop us a comment and we'll answer your questions.